Life Station. Welcome to Life Station. Hold your busy step. Feel your life. Stop 70. Nature Therapy. Have you heard of nature therapy? Nature therapy is, under the principle of middle course, to make our body living in past natural environment as possible, away from the unnatural modern lifestyle of being too comfortable as well as too convenient. Modern lifestyle, due to technological improvement and worsening pollution, our body is more and more far away from the natural environment it needs to function well. Breathing no fresh air, acquiring no proper pace of life, seeing no pleasant scenery, listening to no tender sound, our organs and limbs will only malfunction under severely distorted surroundings. In spite of having the support of medicines and care products, many people still fall into the danger of enormous change of body and mind unconsciously. The essences our body needs: sufficient exercise, balanced nutrition, and enough sleep, is either too much or not enough. The result of long time too much and not enough is numerous minds has been buried into our body unnoticed, just waiting for the advent of the limit our organs cannot tolerate. The theory of nature therapy is quite simple, just letting our body eat naturally as possible, breathe naturally as possible, be dynamic naturally as possible, as well as be static naturally as possible, resting naturally, and sleeping naturally. The reason why nature therapy must comply with the principle of middle course, avoiding too much and not enough, is to prevent from thoroughly rejecting modern civilization. Despite the ancients living in a more natural environment, owing to lacking proper modern convenience, returning to ancient lifestyle totally is not necessarily the best nature therapy, bringing not necessarily us safety, health, and happiness. The middle course nature therapy never repels proper modern technology, just rejecting relying on modern convenience too much, lest our body loses its powerful nature self-maintenance ability. The modern middle course nature therapy asks for eating naturally and properly, avoiding processed food, asks for breathing more fresh air, asks for contacting natural living environment, preventing overconvenience and overcomfort from malfunctioning limbs and organs, as well as asks for having balanced diet, proper work, proper rest, and balanced exercise, to refrain from various too much, as to plant the seeds, endangering our body and mind. The modern middle course nature therapy pays more attention to proper mental operation by asking to keep away from avarice, cruel struggle, jealousy, and wild ambition, to prevent from bringing enormous invisible pressure to our body. A sound mind lies in a sound body, yet a sound body also lies in a sound mind. Owning a kind, warm, and loving heart, letting our goodwill imperceptibly help our organs function well, is the ultimate nature therapy. Wishing you safe, healthy, and happy. Thank you for your watching and subscription.